In terms of some practical advice for you to take away in relation to the 1954 Act, if your lease is registered at the Land Registry, do ensure that the tenant's address for service, as stated on the register, is up to date at all times, but particularly in the last 18 months of the term, when the landlord might be serving a Section 25 notice. Do not ignore any formal notices that are received, and ensure that copies are passed on to your legal advisors for review at the very first opportunity. Remember that the court has wide discretion to determine renewal terms, but that it pays to be commercial and negotiate with your landlord as the balance of benefit, to balance the benefit to be gained against the increased court and legal fees that might be incurred if court determination is required. That said, tenants should always bear in mind, as landlords themselves are usually well aware, that in most cases, other than the annual rent, the court's view will be largely guided by the terms of the existing lease unless there is good reason otherwise. Finally, take advice in good time, about 12 to 6 months ahead of the lease expiry, if there is a prospect that you might wish to consider exercising your statutory rights of renewal.